Domino's unveils brand new domino-shaped pizza. Have you ever had to compromise on toppings during a group pizza night? Or tried awkwardly eating a massive slice on the move? Domino's has some major news for you. After more than 65 years in the pizza-making game, the world's largest pizza company is finally launching a menu item named after itself, the Domino. Starting nationwide on August 31st, 2026, this all-new release isn't just another pie, it's a personal, Detroit-style pizza specifically designed for one person. The twist? It's literally shaped like the brand's iconic Domino logo and cut into two generous slices, giving you a custom pizza experience that traditional group orders just can't match. Domino's built this new item to tackle a classic problem: pizza compromise. When ordering with friends, family, or coworkers, someone usually ends up settling for toppings they didn't really want. This, according to Joe Jordan, Chief Operating Officer and President of Domino's US, is where traditional pizza falls short. The Domino solves that shortcoming by offering a personal, highly customizable option where sharing is strictly optional. The Domino fills a gap in our portfolio, said Jordan. When everyone wants something different, traditional pizza falls short. The Domino lets every person build the exact pizza they want. According to Jordan, it's fitting that the next generation in pizza is shaped like the logo of the #1 pizza company in the world. As for how it's actually made, the Domino starts with a handmade, buttery-flavored pan dough encrusted with real Parmesan cheese. It gets baked in a rectangular pan to achieve that classic Detroit-style crust with a crispy Parmesan edge. From there, it's loaded up with 2 rich layers of cheese, your choice of sauce, up to 3 of your favorite toppings, and a finish of Domino's signature garlic seasoning drizzle. In independent testing conducted before the launch, consumers rated the Domino as one of the most delicious products Domino's had ever introduced. And Jordan agrees with them. The Domino is so mouth-watering that we gave it our name, Jordan added. If you're eager to try out the Domino-shaped pie, you won't have to break the bank. Domino's is including its latest creation in its popular mix and match deal. You can choose any 2 or more menu items, including a 2-topping Domino, for just $6.99 each. Whether you're a Detroit-style crust fanatic or just tired of fighting over pepperoni versus pineapple, this personal logo-shaped pie looks like a fun, convenient fix for solo pizza cravings.